What up, guys? Today I'm embarking on an incredibly difficult journey. Today I'm going to do or attempt the Chris Chann challenge, which is switch backside 360 kickflip on flat. So Mowgli was telling me that he embarked on this journey, what, 30 days ago?
Yeah, no, not 30 days ago. I mean, he's on and off, so he'll just try and then post it on his Instagram story, like the closest he got that day. And I think the last time I saw it, he was like on day 43 or 44. Someone correct me. I know there's like a big Chris Chann fan in there. So like, but yeah, this is a trick he has not landed. And if he has landed, it's all hand drag all across, and he does not count it. He just posts on his story like the closest I've gotten so far.
Yeah.
But I think he does not want to do a pivot. And if it is a revert, it's like, it has to be like super natural, perfect.
Smooth, yeah.
Yeah, like not just fully forced.
I was gonna ask, like, would it count if I like did like this and then like all nice?
I mean,
like,
it'll
quick?
count, but how will you feel about it?
Yeah, for you. I mean,
I think
us,
that's steezy, honestly.
Yeah, for the purpose of this challenge, it does not matter. Like, we're just doing it. But for Chris, like, I respect him 100% because like, he's just fully going for the full rotation, and it looks nice and stylish. Maybe it might be the close. I don't know.
Yeah, he holds himself to a high standard, and I like that. So if you don't know what a backside 360 kickflip is, it's a tray flip, but you spin with it the whole time, basically, which is a 360 flip, and you spin with it.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, I mean, I guess.
What is it?
It's a switch 360 with a kickflip.
Our boy John.
Yeah. Either
Happy
way,
medium
that's
green.
just how I think of it. Like, me trying the trick, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a switch tray and just spin with it. But you could explain it like that too. That might be the more noble way of saying it, I guess, or
Switch
whatever.
back 3 kickflip.
Yeah, that's the trick.
Switch back 3 kickflip.
Yeah. Switch blizzard flip,
No, the Chris Chann. The Chann flip.
Chann flip. But it has to be switch. So a switch Chann flip would be regular?
No, that's blizzard flip.
Okay. Got him. All right.
Switch. The Chann flip.
What if I land it first?
Then it's the nugget flip.
Oh my God. What if the nebula?
Well, the first person to ever land a switch back 360 flip is just, I mean, it should be named after them.
Did they name it?
No, but we got to do some
I
research.
don't know. No, I'm just
I know
kidding.
it's been done. I've seen it.
Yeah, I know. It's
done
for
it.
sure been done.
In my dreams.
Then you done it.
That's right.
Skate.
The cruise flip.
Excellent.
All right, if we land this today, in the Braille house, we can call it the nebula flip. Because I know you want to name a trick that.
I mean, this is your journey today. I am just aside, and I'm gonna try.
I thought you were going to try it with me.
I am. I just said I'm gonna learn with you, but personally, the nebula flip is something I've never seen, and it's MBD to all.
No, this isn't.
Okay.
How dare
We'll
you?
just try and land it first.
Yeah,
Let's
we'll
just
land
start with that.
We'll land it.
So we got to warm up. So we're going to try some of the prerequisites.
Switch back 180, switch flip, switch backside flip, and then you can do it.
Switch big flip, switch tray.
No, that's too much. Let's do it way too much.
Okay. Let's get warmed up.
Oh, you're off to a great start.
I'm already over rotating. That's not a bad sign. All right. Switch flip. All right, switch back to flip. Let's see if I got it. It's not going well. Was nebula flip?
That's scary.
All right, I think I need to do a switch tray too.
How would you rate that switch backside flip, Will?
7 out of 10.
Rick?
That was-
No, it's because switchback flip is a hard trick. You ever land it and roll away, it gets a good rating, Gabriel.
What Ricky said.
That's a C. I could have
I
landed it way
wasn't
cleaner.
saying it was bad. I was just asking for your opinion, Rick.
That's true.
Wow.
Damn.
So I gotta do that, but spin with it. Right, Rick?
See?
All right, so I'm just gonna start trying it.
Rick, you're seemingly the most chill, but you're actually the most judgmental person on the whole team.
I think you needed this in your life.
I'm chilling.
Yeah.
Hey, at the end of this 6 week, hey, I give it.
Explaining, I get what he's saying is like that's how he approaches it, but the actual trick, it's his 360.
I give it at least 1 week and a half before you're skating again because you can't take it anymore.
Dude, I was thinking about tomorrow.
I think maybe I was going a little too fast that first attempt.
Oh!
Was that like 270?
He's getting there.
That was like no pop though, right?
Yeah, it's looking good.
I feel like I'm not jumping high enough off my back foot. Maybe I gotta focus on jumping higher.
I think your form is perfect.
You think so?
Yeah.
Like a tornado?
You literally just spin it like I would spin a regular one.
Thank you. I needed to hear that, thanks.
Wow,
That
brother.
could have been it, dang. Ooh, that's exciting.
Dude.
That's it, huh? Oh, I need to focus on popping it a little bit better. There you go. Oh,
I feel like Waluigi would have the exact same style as Uzi.
yeah, that's pretty perfect actually.
And I look like Wario.
Like Wario?
Yeah.
I see it.
Wario.
Yeah, no, I see it.
Yeah.
That'd be a good Halloween costume for you.
Whoa.
Maybe I gotta go slower. Yeah, I'll try slower and see what happens.
Oh!
A little more spin.
If you guess what movie I watched last night, I'll give you $10, Rick.
Is it? Can I have a clue of the rough year, the decade? Can I have the decade?
2000 to 2010, I guess.
Aladdin. Aladdin.
Spider-Man.
Aladdin? No. Can you guess, Mo?
Give me the genre.
I can't give you the genre. It'll give too much away.
Why? My brain can't think that far.
Just any movie from 2000 to 2010. I'll give you $10.
Sandra Bullock and that guy. I don't even know the name. You know what I'm talking about?
Can you guess, Chris?
Spider-Man 1.
No, I watched Shrek.
Dang it!
Should have said that.
I thought you were gonna get it. Yeah,
That's in 2005. You see, that's in acting.
exactly. 2000 to 2010, right in the middle.
I thought you said just 2010.
Comments on the other video, I said I hadn't seen Monsters Inc. and everyone's like, how does Ricky not know what Monsters Inc. is?
Hey, I've never seen that movie.
I could
either.
never see watching that film.
I think I'd seen it, but you guys referenced the character's name, and I was like, I don't know what that means.
Oh, brother. Dude!
Dang.
Is Shrek love?
Shrek?
Yeah.
At first he's hate, and then he turns into love.
Is Shrek life?
No.
Yeah.
Donkey is life.
Getting there.
Whew, this is a tough one.
Missed your flick right there.
I know, it's okay. Oh, are you okay? I think it smacked him right in the ankle ball. It's okay, he's smiling. Smile the pain away. All right, I'm gonna think about it this one specifically. Switch tray, spin with it. It's right there. This is crazy.
The last flat ground today I learned video we did was me. And it was a fakey gazelle flip.
Gabriel, I'll give you 10 shots to land this, and if you land it, I'll give you $1 million.
There
Shows how much
is
faith he has in
0% chance I will land that. Hey, what if I just busted it first try?
Premium.
That's insane.
Hey, you hit a rock and that
I know.
still almost
What
went.
did I hit? Oh, we got to do some more bondoing up in here. Look at that.
Whoa!
I lost balance right before
Taking
I
a
popped.
page out of Mowgli's book that he writes himself.
I need to make myself feel better.
That was nice.
Hey, that was switch.
Oh, wait, I thought that was switch. Oh, got me.
At first, I thought you
That
just
was
did
regular.
a switch one. I'm like,
Oh!
it's like my switch back foot needs to spin a little more. What do you think? More
I
pop?
think you're trying to do everything too fast.
Yeah, I need to just relax
Seems
a little
like
more.
you're popping and then you're flicking and you're not giving it enough time to pop, so the flick isn't working.
Yeah, it's.
I haven't really been analyzing yours as much, but I can if you want me to. I got you. Go
Got it
ahead.
all right here.
I need that advice. What am I doing?
You're flicking the board towards the ground.
Towards where?
Your front foot is flicking towards the ground. You got to flick up.
Switch flip. I'm bringing it back to the roots.
You can't, not with this trick though. Wow. You should.
Fully try switch tray and body barrel 360.
Yeah. That's literally what I'm doing.
Tray, then turn? Yeah. Okay.
That was the best one.
I think you just lost balance at the pop. Should try it again.
Yeah.
Oh! Dang!
I mean the nugget flip.
I didn't count. That was like what, like a 300 flip? Switch 300 flip?
Yeah, let's run that back.
Okay. Yeah, I need to.
Your good one is there.
Just gotta get that perfect scoop and pop. Like.
Oh, there you go.
Need to put more of my front foot on for more stability. I think I got it eventually.
You got it, Chris. I think you're overthinking it.
I mean, it's a pretty hard trick.
No, I know. I just think you're analyzing too much.
You think so?
Yeah.
Based off what you're seeing, what am I doing wrong? Is there anything?
It's kind of all over the place at this point.
It's just not looking good.
The switch back 3 flip? You're ending it?
No. I want to get it. It's just, it's really hard.
I believe in you. You got so you landed on it. What are you talking about?
I landed a terrible one.
There you go.
I'll do the heel flip because I feel more confident in that.
Back 3 heel flip?
Yeah, then the kick flip.
Okay.
I'll look crazy trying that.
Dang.
Switch back 3 heel seems impossible.
Nebula flip.
There you go.
Okay.
That was good.
What I did that time was I put my foot up, my front foot like an actual switch flip instead of having it all close for the spin.
I feel like the flick is just going to come naturally.
Yeah,
I feel like the back foot's what you got to work on.
Got it. Yay.
Yes.
Toughy. I understand why he's on day 40 something.
Oh!
Dang, I should have pivoted. That would have been perfect. Yeah, I'm good. A lot of cushion to fall on. Dang.
Wow.
It's not looking so good anymore. I think I just need to go back to switch tray 360 body barrel. I think that's the strat right now.
That looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, I don't want to give up yet. Just gotta let my ankle chill for a second. I should just pivot that all the way.
Just turn your shoulders a little more. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay. My ankle started to hurt more and more. It keeps hitting that spot. Right there. Dang.
I'm the type of skater when I get really close and then for some reason it's taken away from me, I feel like crying sometimes.
It's a battle. It's a battle.
Oh!
This requires a lot of energy. Trying my best out here. Dang! Land on the right part of the board. See you for that.
You would have counted that. Yo!
Oh my God. That's it. That's the nebula flip right there.
Oh!
I think I'm not like preparing myself for a full 360. All right. Dang. All right, let's try and get close right here. Ow, dude. My ankle's taking a beating right now. I think it's just like, the way I'm flicking it, it's like the nose is hitting it every time. It's hitting the shoe and it's like just repeated damage.
Oh!
See, that's what we need to do. Dude. All right, I got a few more. My ankle's killing me, honestly. All right, I'm gonna give it like one more really good try, and if I don't get close.
I believe in you.
How you feeling?
I believe in you. That's
you.
how I'm feeling.
I think I could do this trick eventually, but right now it sucks.
You got it.
He really does though. It's right there.
He landed on it. He's gonna do it.
Oh!
That wasn't even close.
Are you thinking about it like a switch tray?
I was like half and half.
I feel like it works better if you don't think about it like a switch tray. Because then like you do the switch tray, but the board goes away from you.
I'm just like having a hard time like rotating and flipping it all the way. That's like that. I feel like that's the main issue. That's what Glow said. We could try it on the hip. One more right here. All right. Well, I didn't land the one I wanted here on flat ground, so I'm gonna try it on the easier obstacle, which is the hip. With the hip, you don't have to fully rotate it, so it's kind of like a little lenient with the trick.
More like just like a full switch backside flip.
It's like a 270, right?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay, so we're gonna try it on the hip, and then, yeah. Whew. I'm just tired. Should I just land it?
What do you mean?
Should I just do it? Should
Yeah.
I just do the trick? All right. Right here.
Oh! Wow!
Dang. Why?
Would you like to analyze?
Yeah, you filmed it? Yeah.
I think you just caught that one. No, we'll hit that and then stop.
Yeah, I need to pick up my popping foot a little more. Okay. That's what's stopping it. Oh.
Wow!
Garbage. It might have been less garbage than some of the other makes, all two of them, but I could do better, right?
Oh!
That's
Best one! Dude, that was it!
I thought that was gonna be it, and then it just didn't slide. I still fell.
Yeah!
Just cut it and fast forward it, take out the audio.
Wow! Ouch, Dad! Oh!
Yeah, that one felt really good.
Wow!
How did that even work? As soon as I popped that, I thought, okay, this is a dud, and I just landed the backside flip somehow. That was strange. All right, pick the back foot up. As soon as I pop.
How is he still going?
I just want to land it. Want to land a good one. I've been trying for about an hour. We've been filming for about an hour. And it's like right there on some tries, so it's like really frustrating. I don't want to give up. But also we have a whole team here ready to go eat. So I'm just gonna do my best to land it. And that's pretty much all I can do.
Just get that foot out the way.
Yeah. I think I'm putting too much focus on trying to get the flip over because I keep not flipping it. But I really need to focus on the spin. I think that's the most important part. Oh my God. I don't think that counts. I stopped for like a split second, a jiffy, which is like 100th of a second. And then I rotated. I'm frustrated. It takes a lot for me to get frustrated and flustered, but this is one of those moments, so I'm just trying my best to just breathe through it and process everything and let it out too, not bottle it up. And I think talking about it's really helping right now. I'm trying a really hard trick and it's not going my way, and it's okay. It's just, it gets frustrating because I know I can do it. And I feel like it's not really that hard, but my performance is telling otherwise. So I'm gonna try a few more. I did get that one kind of weird one on flat, so I was stoked about that, but it's not the perfect one. I think for this challenge, you gotta land it really nice, really smooth. And we have not done that yet, so the challenge has not been completed. But I'm gonna try a good 5 more, and then we'll see where we stand at that point. I can't tell if that was it or not, to be honest. That was good. All right, I'm gonna try like 4 more though. Yeah. All right, last try again.
You got it. Do one more.
Oh! Dang it!
4.
Braille Army Plus has every single Skateboarding Made Simple volume on there, all of them. It also has exclusive videos that you can only see on the app. There's a whole section for courses. We did a course recently on how to run a TikTok and how to grow your TikTok, and there are many future courses planned. And as a member, you can jump on the Braille Army Plus Discord server, which is my absolute favorite part because it's creating this amazing community. Join Braille Army Plus. It is everything a skater needs.
I tried at least 1,000 times, and we got a couple garbage ones. We didn't get the one I was looking for. I'm trying to get it really smooth, one motion. One of them was close, and the one on flat ground was just not full rotation. But I think the real challenge is to eventually practice this trick enough to do it on flat ground. So I'll keep working at it. I need
That's
to.
why Chris Chann's on day 45.
Yeah, this is day 1 for me. So I still got some time. I'm pretty sure I can do this eventually. I just need to practice. But I want to thank you guys for joining me on the journey, and shout out to the guys for cheering me on and trying to get me to land it when I wanted to give up. My boys over there, Ricky, Mo, Uzi, and then Gloves, might have gotten abducted by aliens, I don't know. Anyways, there's some videos over there. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave those comments below. Let us know what you want to see next, what tricks you want to see me try next, or the guys. And we got everything you need with the Braille Army Plus membership. You can find that at brailleskateboard.com. And we'll see you in the next one.